A chain is made of many links. Alone, each link is fragile. Together, they become strong. This triptych explores the chain as a symbol of unity, connection, and shared strength. Values that are the core of every successful company. The photographs you're seeing were taken in Saceba, an abandoned cement factory. Its industrial atmosphere inspired these images of metal, structure, and repetition. Designed for corporate spaces, the triptych becomes more than decoration. It's a reminder that a company works just like a chain, through connection, collaboration, and collective strength.